It's a good morning to you. Welcome to Asake Online. My name is Zenzele Ndebele, and this is the Breakfast Club. Today we bring you the program from Beitbridge, where for the past 3 to 4 days there have been chaos as people are trying to cross to South Africa. Many people basically went to South Africa or to the border where the moment the government announced that there was going to be a lockdown in Zimbabwe for the next 30 days, which also saw the borders closed. As the people rushed to the border, obviously that meant there was going to be a lot of congestion. So talking to people who have been here, some have been here since Sunday, others Monday, they've been complaining that they spent 3 to 4 days in the open with no bathroom facilities, no place to bath, and all the bad things that are happening in this place. So they were grateful that at least today there was a bit of order as the police and everyone else was trying to restore a normal queue, because they were saying the past few days they've been confusion with others with money bribing and driving past them. But today, when we arrived here, we saw truckloads of soldiers and police trying to control people, and the queue was at least moving, because we are seeing people who arrived yesterday or early morning today also getting to the gate. So we hope that those people who are here are going to be able to finally get to the border and cross. The other issue that people raised was the issue of COVID certificates, that the COVID certificates that are issued in Zimbabwe are valid for 48 hours, and some of the people who are here have spent more than 48 hours, and they really don't know what is going to happen when they get to the border, because they will then, their COVID certificates are going to be, they would have expired, so they need new COVID certificates. So they are not sure whether the Zimbabwean government or the South African government is going to allow them to pass. Can you tell us how long you've been here?
Now it's 4 days.
Yeah, when did you arrive here?
Sunday night.
Okay. So what's the problem?
Damdziko riri panapa nderekuti line iri harisi kufamba. Since takanzwa kuti border rakuvhara, takamhanya tichiuya kuborder, we are not ready to come for holiday. But nenyaya yekuti takanzwa kuti kune lockdown yeku South Africa nekuno kuZimbabwe, zvakatipusha kuti tiwe pano, saka takanga takawandisa. Asi problem yepanapa hapana matoilets. Pane vanhu vafa vakawanda zvikuru, and handizive kutoti kuvakuru chii chiri kuitika, because vanga vaifana kupusha kuti whether kutaura neve immigration vanodhinda mapassport kuti vaite zvinhu zvavo faster, but there shows like there is no one ari kukwanisa kupusha basa ukoko. That's why pano pachifa vanhu, tishawa pekuita toilet, pekugeza hapana kana patoilet apa, mota dzakazara pesa apa.
Saka muri kushandisa papi pamatoilet?
Vanhu vanoenda musango umu, kwese kuri kusimela, if mukatera zvakanaka, kuri kusimela kwese uku, kuri kunhuhwa kwese mumasango umu, korela chaiyo.
So nyaya kugeza, you've been here since
Hadina kugeza, ipa mukutonhuhwira ipapa, nakana kugeza since Sunday manheru. Kana kugeza, kana kuita sei, saka hatizivi kuti toita sei, because now we are scared to come back to Zimbabwe. That's the truth. Because as we are business people in Zimbabwe, here in South Africa, here in Zimbabwe there is no business. That's why we go back. Now our families, they are we're supposed to stay here until lockdown. This is our right by lockdown, but because tine family are South Africa, and vari kuno kuvanda kudya, handisi kushanda kuno. Saka ndinofanira kudzokera South Africa kuti ndinoshanda, nditumire futi vari kuno chikafu. Nekuti kuno chero ndikada kuti ndiite business, mota idzodzo dzamuona dzimwe dzakasengana, road ine mapotholes yese, mota dzedu dzakafa izvezvi. Saka kuti ndotoona zviri nani ndikagara uko ndichitumira hangu mari vabereki vachidya. And another problem, kana tichibva kuti takasenga zvinhu zvekuti tinodevelopa country yedu, maporisa yese muroad vanotibhadharisa. I pay something like 16,000 kubudisa mota yangu inoyi paborder apapo vachita worry, which is we are not happy. And kune umwe mupurisa anonzi Chitoro akatora drum rangu rekunovakisa kumusha. If I show you my phone now, I built a house. I was carrying drums to put water. Was in the village, there is no water. When I was in the roadblock by Ngundu, he took my drum. He wanted money from me. I didn't have money because they take all the money in the border. Saka we are facing challenge here in Zimbabwe. Zvakatooma, takutotya kuti mukangotendera kupinda, musashora kuti vana vaindi kana vaenda ku South Africa vadzoki. Ndo nyaya iyoyi. Tadzoka kumusha hatibatwi zvakanaka, tinobatwa semaslave. No one is not hakuna ari kumbotarisa kuona kuti situation yepanapa iri kuita sei, ende kuti vamiririre ukoko kuti tiona kuti pane crisis, vanhu vawandisa ukoko, what should we do? Hapana zvavari kuita.
Nhasi ndokwa zvatoita sokuti fambe, ozi nezuro wese haakwa kuri kungogara. saka nhasi zvinenge zvine chiedza mbijana.
So saka pari crowded, so muri kurara papi, muri kudla chi?
Tinotongorara mumota imomo. Totongorara mumota imomo kungotengawo chikafu kune vanotengesa ivava. But dambudziko manje kugeza kana kudiya ndopane nyaya ipapo.
So saka zonzi ma COVID certificate akamera kuti aite 48 hours. Imwe is now more than 48 hours panapa. Moita sei?
Isati chingoveri nawo changonzwa kuti vanoti kudii mukati imomo. Tapindawo imomo sezvo vachionawo nemamirira zvakaita kuno. Saka kutongomirira tapinda tinzwa kuti zvofambiswa sei.
So you are not sure what's the problem? No.
Hatina chokwadi because hatisati tambopinda mukati imomo. Hatina chokwadi. Asi kuti nyaya iri panapa panongoitwa zvakawanda. Panoitwa zvakawanda.
Zvinonga chi?
Vamwe vanongouyawo vachingotova nemari dzavo, pindai torai mota, saka tinongopindirwawo vanenge vasina mari, vane mari dzavo vachingopindawo vachienda kubhodha ikoko. Ndo zvimwe zviri kunetsa zvaitawo kuti tore nguva, ndonaso ndezvimwe zvacho izvozvo.
Thina siney'nsuku ey'ntathu sila. Osukwini lanamhlanje kungconywana ngoba kunamafu akushisi. Lezi iy'nsuku ey'mbili edlulile bekunzima. Sishayilanga, sihlukunyezwa up and down, but nakho sikhona la.
So ngiyabona lapha akuna ndawo yokugezela, akuna ama-toilet nenza kanjani?
Kunzima. Sekuyikuthi nje makuyikuthi kunabantu abezayo la. Befike bethi bona 10 rand. Mangabe ufuna i-toilet 10 rand ukuyogeza. Njengoba ubona nendawo naya lapha ebhaliwe bathroom 15 rand. Into ezikanjalo nje. Mangabe kuyikuthi unayo imadlanyana yakho uyakwazi ukuthi uhambe uyoqhasha ugeze, qhasha ungene e-toilet. Uthole namanzi adayisayo.
But banitshela ukuthi problem okwenza i-delay kuyini?
Asikezwa lutho. Into nje ukuthi sibambe ulayini sikwazi ukufinyelela la siya khona. Yilokho nje emva kwakho ukuthi siyofika emzini yethu la sakhe khona. Yeah. Siyegoli.
Okay.
Sisina 3 days.
Kune issue ama-COVID certificates, phela kusho ukuthi se-expire ama-COVID certificates.
Kusho ukuthi njengathi thina sashiyeke nje mhlambe ama-hours. Makuyikuthi a-expire sesiyobona khona ngale mase siwelile. Kodwa kwamanje wonke umuntu ukhala ngayo leyo nto leyo. Asazi kuyokwenzakalani. Esemnyameni.
Lingathi ndina kuhulumende wezimbabwe.
Ayikho into esoyisho ngoba singaphansi kwencindezi. I-freedom sinayo masingale phesheya kodwa masilana sisencindezini. Asazi nokuthi kuyokwenzakala mabe ngasibona sivela nje kuma-TVs.
Today tichitira kuti tifambe zvakanaka ka nangwe tikauya nezvinhu zvedu mapenalties avari kutipa ka muroad akanyanya nemakomba arimo maspewiri hatisina kana matai ende chikafu chachona ipapa tinoenda kupi matoilets hatisina kuvadii kutivhurira tafamba zvakanaka tangoenda hatina mafake permits kana chizo irelationship yeSouth Africa neZimbabwe ngaive strong chete kuti tibve taita right but ini ndakasvika neMonday manheru nhasi chatova China manheru saka i4 days saka tiziva kuti toita sei
mina ngifike ngolwesibili lokho ngimile mngani wami uhamba nzima vele line ayihamba ukuthi kwenzakalani lami senzisaba lokubuya ekhaya ukuthi sicela ihulumende izama ukuthi sizamele iplan ukuthi lathi isiphathe ngendlela
so lilala lapha
silala lapha akuna ma toilet akukho kukhona sidla amanzi okuthengwa asigezanga sine 4 days ngagezi asazi ukuthi impilo enje masizaqhubeka siya phambili ekhaya sizagcina singasesaba ukubuya eZimbabwe kodwa singabantwana abakhuluma lutho no communication no what ukuthi kwenzakalani phakathi le asazi lutho
hayi asithembe namhlanje kodwa
namhlanje kungcono ngoba sisibona lina lani likhona siyelethemba ukuthi yini elingabe lisiphathisile ngoba siyabona i-movement yengathi kuyahamba ngoba since ekuseni lokho sizama hayi sesiku-halfway impela siyabonga ukuthi abamthetho labo besihambele eduze ngathi lingaqhubeka lani lizochecka libona ukuthi ngabe kuyahamba yini
manje kule ndaba ama-COVID certificate
ase-espayile sikhona apha siwathethe so kasisakwazi ukuthi ngaphambili sizayenza kanje ngoba siwathethe ngeMonday sakholetha ngeTuesday so aqala ukubala ngeTuesday Wednesday Thursday namhlanje silast day ngo-3 so ukuthi ngale what gonna happen as don't know so asazi ukuthi mali ngasizamela la khona ngalo ukuthi besizamela iplan futhi siyabonga nguNdebele
lami
lele lapha lele ndwiyo mosquito usuku bonke
balichasisela kodwa ukuthi indaba yamalayini engahambi
hayi akekho osekwabuya uzositshela just nje into yokhona ukuthi imoto belokhu bazijikisa bazibisele emuva bathi sibamba amalayini arongo kunganamuntu ocontrola ne-traffic ukuthi pakani kanje kanjani yabo.
Okay. So lina nxa lingatsho kwabaphetheyo lingathi
thina isikhalazo sethu ukuthi uma bangaqondisa kahle i-traffic kube ne-order kungabi le moto ezisidlulela esayidini yiso isikhalazo sethu esinazo. Ngoba uzathola umuntu osuke ngoba mina Ndebele la uzathola umuntu osuke ngo7 ekuseni eBulawayo azongena kuqala kulama ebhodi yabo yiso isikhalazo sethu esinazo. Ukugeza sigezanga lokugcina ugeza emva lokugcina ugeza izolo ekuseni suke eBulawayo ngoba ngifikelana ngabo 11.
Okay.
Sifike izolo lapha roughly ngama 3. Yeah.
So la
silele la
elibona ngani okwenza ilayini ingahambi kuye
into onganabo ufakazi nayo ngeza kuyikhuluma wona uyazi kodwa nje ubona ngathi something somehow ikhona into enzakala ukuthi yini anginabufakazi nayo kodwa ke kuthe mase kufika omkhulu sizabethi nguyomkhulu wala waqala nje ukutshintsha ngoba kathi kulezinye imoto wathi zihamba ngale zingena ngale lezinye zingena emaceleni lapha zingena ngathi waqala ukutshintsha ngoba lesimo esingathi singcono le movement yakhona yabonisa nje kuba ngcono ezithi ngishona sengiseduze ukuthi maybe nami sengalala ngena if it's so then okunye kangazi but ngicabanga ukuthi ngendlela abaqale ngayo ibe fasting bayakhathala angazi kodwa ibe very fast ukuthi impela kade zigijima kakhulu ngoba ngasile phezulu emarobotini then hayi lokho ihamba kodwa hayi iyahamba yona ayisolisi ngoba vele kubhisi but akusolisi kangako yathi namhlanje singalala singenile singazi ngaphesheya ngale but la ngibona ngathi sizongena.
Siyabonga.
Thani takayamswe Sunday. Nasi Thursday.
Kuna vanhu vakauya nezuro vari pamberi penyu pari kufamba.
Varipo vakauya but vamba nechaos vaingosvika vamwe vaibhadhara but takatombenge tiri kumberi but takazopesa takumashure tatotangidza futi
inda
ndio wori chaiyo because panga pachishanda mari.
Saka Sunday kusukira panapa muri kugeza papi muri kudya chii?
Tachingodyawo chikafu chinga chiuya nevakadzi vanga vachifamba vachitengesa but tatozokwanisa kutogezawo nhasi mudzimba mukati munobhadharwa ma15 rand.
Kune nyaya yamacovid certificate asati expire.
Macovid certificate vanoti inofanira kuita 48 hours. Saka now it's more than 48 hours. Zvakato expire kare.
Mataura nenyaya hiyo.
Panapa ukulu wangu ndakasvika musi weTuesday 7:30 manheru. Tasvika kudaro raini raidarika road inoenda ku town iyo. Yangaida kusvika kudhuze neku Chicken Inn. Right. Saka tasvika sekudaro mangwana acho kuseni musi wechitatu pane vanhu vakazopindira wakakanganisa kufamba kwequeue kuti ifambe zvakanaka. Kusvikira nezuro pakazouya mukuru wemapurisa nemukuru wezimura ndo wakazoclear pese pamuri kuona pese apa pakazara motikari pese apa pakasara main line rinoda tokushandisa isusu nhasi. So kubva nhasi kuseni pawatanga basi chakaipa chatiri kuona hapana zvezvi kufamba zvakanaka chaizvo zvokuti dai zvanga zvirizvo zvakaitwa kubva musi watakasvika aiwa dai pasina qs yamuri kuona.
Sifike isolo no one so iyahamba yini la isolo ebengahambi maye namhlanje iyahamba ekuseni bakhiphela amalayini abangenela wona manje amalayini a straight iyahamba sisukele ku10 of yedulu badzimu ayahamba kahle namhlanje shothi sibanengi nama process ecovid nawo
bayadileya nyana mara namhlanje yahamba siyasuthiseka. Yeah.
One hopes that there will be sanity at this border post and there will be order that will be restored, because it's quite an unpleasant sight when people are talking about paying 15 rand to get a bath or to use a toilet. So it has been chaotic for the past few days, and we are happy that finally there's a bit of order at the border post. My name is Zenzele Ndebele. Till we meet again in other programs, have a good day.